Okay guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be just making quick, easy hot dogs in the Ninja Foodi Grill. That is right, hot dogs. It took 4 minutes. It's so crazy. 4 minutes, that's it, and you have hot dogs, and you don't have to go outside and grill them, and you have the grill marks, and they're so easy, honestly. So we're going to go ahead and dive in, but before we do, if you're interested in any of the items that I use in the video today, be sure to hit the description box below and hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button because we're going to have new Ninja Foodi Grill recipes coming out every single week this year, 2020, on my channel. So hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, so what we're going to need, it's very simple. All you're going to need is your hot dogs and buns. If you want to toast them, we can go ahead and toast them in the grill. And whatever you want to add on top of it, you can add that at the end. So this is what we're going to do, is just open the package. We're going to first start preheating and then we can start. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and turn on the grill. And we're going to set that for high. And we have our grill grate in the grill. Hit start and we'll be back when it's done preheating. Alright, so our grill is ready. Now this is only going to take 4 minutes. That's right, 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes max. So we're going to go ahead, you can already hear the sizzle. Okay, now the time is at 10 minutes. We'll leave it at 5. At 2 minutes, we're going to flip them. Alright? So we'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, we're coming up. 2 minutes. Alright, let's show you guys those grill marks. Alright, just going to flip them. Alright, we'll let it finish those 2 minutes and we'll be back. Alright, so we're coming up on that 2 minute mark again. And they're done. And there we have it. We're going to go ahead and bring them out. Now I'm just going to set them on a plate right here on the side. And we're going to use that last minute to toast the buns, which I have right here. So actually let me put that over here. Okay. Just want to take your bun. Okay. Alright. So I'm just going to do 2 minutes, but we're going to use 1 minute. Okay, we'll be back. Okay. Alright, so let's get these out. Alright, they're nice and toasted in just 1 minute. Some of them even have like the little grill marks. It's perfect. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and bring our hot dogs back and we can start to dress them. Okay guys, and now we have added the hot dogs to the buns, and now is where you can be creative and add the toppings that you like. Let me know in the comments what you guys like. I am doing mustard and Heinz ketchup. That's just our preference, but I'm going to go ahead and just set that up. Oh yeah. So, actually, we're going to do just ketchup on these ones. Picky eaters, you know. Alright, and there you have it. We have our hot dogs really quickly made in the Ninja Foodi Grill. That's how easy it was, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys like to add to your hot dogs. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. It helps me just grow the channel. And also, you guys, I'm going to have new recipes every single week on the Ninja Foodi Grill this year, 2020. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, you guys have a great night.